everybody, I'm Chris and I just got this maker box for sewing and I'm so excited. So let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Let's open it up. Oh wow, great. A top. Now I'm a garment sewer, so this is really cute and it's going to be really easy. Oh, they give us a list of what we have inside, so that looks like all the great tools. Oh, and we can actually even visit the website for tips and techniques on putting that top together. I feel like I'm opening up a designer handbag. Let's see what's underneath this. Here's our pattern. So now I have 3 versions. Once I'm done with one, I can go on to the second. Gives me my sizings on the back, all my yardage that I would need when I make my next set. And we have a pair of scissors. Now this is a valuable tool when you are sewing, whether it be garment sewing or any other type of sewing. So you make sure that you hide this from all your friends. And then we have, oh, these are my favorite. I have a ton of little pouches because I store everything in them. So I'm gonna guess there's something in this one. And there is, yay! We have pins. Great, I love those pins. Those are flathead pins, so these will lay flat against your fabric and your pattern piece. Thread, that's a definite must, and it's the perfect type for your garment construction. Sewing machine needles, always a plus. Let's see what else we have. Oh, and a seam ripper to rip out any seams that you have to do, but we're not gonna have to do that. And there's our pouch, and I'm gonna guess underneath there is our fabric. Let's take a look at this. Oh, how pretty is that? That is beautiful. Wow, this is a great box. I tell you, as a garment sewer, this is something that I would have loved to have started out with. Now remember, there are the online videos that will help you through the project, and remember to share. I love it when people share. It inspires me, but not only that, it inspires your fellow sewers. So have fun.